To use Awardwallet to link your hotel account, start by logging into your Awardwallet account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information and verifying your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section where you can add new accounts. Click on the Hotels tab and select the hotel chain you want to link, such as Hilton or Marriott. You will be prompted to enter your hotel loyalty program account credentials, including your username and password. Some hotels may require additional information such as your account number or membership ID. After entering the required information, click the Link Account button to connect your hotel account to Awardwallet. You may be redirected to the hotel website to authorize the connection. If the connection is successful, your hotel account information will be displayed in Awardwallet, including your current balance and recent activity. You can use Awardwallet to track your points, monitor your account activity, and receive notifications when your points are about to expire. It is essential to note that Awardwallet uses secure connections to protect your account information and does not store your login credentials. By linking your hotel account to Awardwallet, you can easily track your loyalty program accounts in one place, making it easier to manage your points and book rewards. Awardwallet supports multiple hotel chains and loyalty programs, allowing you to centralize your account information and maximize your rewards. To get the most out of Awardwallet, make sure to regularly update your account information and monitor your account activity to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you can easily link your hotel account to Awardwallet and start tracking your loyalty program accounts in one convenient place.